One of the ways that we can find vertex form when we're given standard form is to use a graph. So here's an example. We've got y equals negative x squared plus 5x minus 2. And if I want to rewrite that in vertex form, well, I need to know the vertex. So we use a graphing tool like Desmos, which will allow us to identify that vertex. And then we can write it into what we know as vertex form. So we can see the vertex there. And remember that you use x subtract h, and h will be the axis of symmetry. So in that case, this is 2.5. So x minus 2.5. And of course, it has to be squared, otherwise it won't be a parabola. And then we're going to add the k value. So that would be the y value of your vertex. So we're going to add 4.25. And you can see that it's opening in the wrong direction. And that's because we have to pay attention to one other thing. And that is this here. So an a value shown in your standard form, remember, is the same vertical stretch factor in all three forms. So whatever a value you see there, you also have to use in your vertex form. So we get the exact same graph now in vertex form. So of course, this strategy doesn't use algebra. And now we're going to show you a couple of ways to use algebraic techniques to get to this answer. One of the reasons this by graphing is not stellar is if we don't have the technology, then we can't get there. Or you could also have examples where the vertex is ended up being rounded numbers. These are nice numbers. They'd be fractions, but you'll have ones that don't work out quite so nicely. So in those cases, we'd really rather use some algebra to get there.